Imagine this. You're driving home from work. The light turns green, and suddenly an 18-wheeler crashes into your car. Within seconds, your life changes forever. You're dealing with serious injuries. These medical bills are mounting up. Your car's completely destroyed. And then you get a call from your insurance company. They seem really friendly at first, but what you don't know is all they want to do is pay you as little as possible. Today, we are going to explain the truth about personal injury law and what everyone should know before it's too late. I'm Dr. Wendy Walsh, and with me today are two attorneys who have dedicated their lives to helping injured people stand up to large insurance companies. First, Ramez Shamia, founder of Shamia Law. Ramez started Shamia Law with one mission, and that's just to protect people who have been seriously injured and to make sure they're not taken advantage of by insurance companies. Over the years, he has built a firm representing clients in Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. Now, I'm going to brag about you a little bit, Ramez. He has earned recognition from Super Lawyers, Texas Lawyer Magazine, the Multi-Million-Dollar Advocates Forum, and is AV Preeminent rated by Martindale-Hubbell. Ramez has won over $300 million for his clients. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Also joining us is Miles Lenz, partner at Shamia Law. Miles focuses on complex injury cases, including those 18-wheeler crashes I mentioned, catastrophic injuries, premises liability, and wrongful death claims. He has recovered tens of millions of dollars for injured clients and has been recognized by Best Lawyers, Ones to Watch, Super Lawyers, Rising Stars, and the National Trial Lawyers Top 40 under 40. Lucky you, you're still under 40. Ramez, Miles, thank you so much for both of you for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having us. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Dr. Walsh.
Okay, I want to start with something I hear all the time. Ramez, do you think people are actually afraid to hire a personal injury lawyer?
Yes, there's so many reasons for that. Number one, people think that hiring a lawyer costs money. That's not how we work. We work on a contingency fee agreement. And what that means is we don't get paid until we win your case. Another thing that people worry about is, oh my God, I'm going to go get medical treatment. It's going to cost thousands of dollars for that. And what we do as a firm is we get people the treatment they need, and it can vary for what they need, and we hold the bills until the case settles, and then we negotiate a fair rate with the doctors.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and so that's another big one. Another thing that people worry about is they're just intimidated by the legal system. The legal system is built by the powerful, and it's created to affect the powerless.
It's an intimidating place.
Yeah.
It really is. Now, Miles, what do you think is the most common misconception that you hear from people who are a little hesitant to call your firm?
You know, I think one of the most common misconceptions is the cost of the process. We work on what's called a contingency fee, which means that there's no upfront cost from the clients. We actually pay for all of the expenses of the case investigation out of our own pocket, and we only get paid or reimburse those case expenses if we win the case.
So I want to make this really clear so everyone understands. If you don't win the case, which is very rare, you don't send them a bill.
Nope.
No. So you only get paid if you win and they get the settlement.
Yes.
And then you're able to.
There's absolutely no risk to the clients.
Wow. I know many accident victims believe they can't get medical treatment if they don't have health insurance. This is a big issue in the country in general right now, right? Ramez, is that true?
No, they can treat under something called a letter of protection or a lien. And what that means, again, is when the case settles, then we'll pay the doctor. So it's really good. We want to get the person treated. We want them to get better now. And so that's why this system for us works really well, is because we can help people get better, and then when it's time to settle the case, we can help them get paid for their injustices.
So you work with doctors and hospitals to help negotiate these things. And what kinds of specialists can someone actually access through your arrangement?
We have all sorts of specialists that we work with, from orthopedic surgeons who will help with the musculoskeletal system, so torn ACLs, shoulders, broken bones, to neurologists that will help with TBIs and concussions, spine specialists that may help with disc herniations and radiculopathy, which we'll get into a little bit more later, and then the physical therapists that will help get you back after these surgeries. No person should delay treatment just because of the cost, and we're here to help and make sure that they get in to see the doctors that they really need.
It's so important that people not delay treatment, that they get the help they need right away. We'll have more about personal injury when we come back.